I'm gonna put together a quick burger sauce, which is just fun, and I encourage you to take this recipe and vary it to be your own because it's kind of cool to have like a house burger sauce. All right, so it starts with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon ketchup, half a teaspoon sweet pickle relish, that's like half a teaspoon of white distilled vinegar, half a teaspoon of sugar, last but not least, a little bit of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. All right, that's the Davison house burger sauce. And that's it. Now I'm just gonna keep this in the refrigerator until serving time. Now the sauce, you can see, Ian and I love the sauce, my daughter not so much. Gotta get her liking the sauce though, it's a house thing, right? All right, so, I use a lot of sauce. Oh yeah. Oh, that is a burger. Thanks for watching. What'd you think? Leave a comment below and let me know what you're excited to cook this week. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button. You can get today's recipes and more for free at our website, americastestkitchen.com/JuliaAtHome.